Kidneys do a lot of important jobs, and if you don't keep them healthy, it puts you at risk of dangerous conditions like renal failure or kidney cancer. Kidneys have cleansing as their prime directive and don't, therefore, need an external detox aid. That said, there are some ways to relieve strain on your kidneys so they can do their best work. Here is a list of the top super herbs to cleanse your kidneys. 1. Parsley. Parsley is an herb that contains apiol and myristichin, which makes it a natural diuretic. That means that parsley helps to cleanse your kidneys and get rid of excess water within your body. Parsley can also help with your urination. Increased urination can help flush out toxins and germs out of your kidneys. 2. Dandelion root. Dandelion root is also a diuretic that helps to keep both your kidneys and your liver free of toxins. Dandelion root also removes any excess water from your body and prevents any irritation in the urinary tract. 3. Marshmallow. Another herb that is also a diuretic is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root can help your body to keep your kidneys, urinary tract and bladder clean and free of infections. 4. Ginger. Another effective tool for cleansing your kidneys is ginger. Ginger provides many benefits to your body, including helping to clean your body of toxins, cleanse your liver, and help with your digestion. 5. Turmeric. Another herb that helps to cleanse your body is turmeric. Turmeric can help clean out kidneys, detoxify your liver and purify your blood. It also is able to prevent kidney inflammation and infections. 6. Celery. Celery helps to remove harmful toxins and chemicals from your body. Celery also has natural nutrients that increase your kidneys' performance. Consuming celery on a regular basis can help your body to prevent kidney stones and kidney infections. 7. Corn silk. Corn silk helps your body to produce more urine, which in turn causes your body to get rid of waste and toxins. It can be used to treat bladder infections, kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Be sure to drink plenty of other fluids when you use corn silk to cleanse your kidneys and other organs. 8. Cranberry. Cranberries are an awesome fruit to add to most any diet, even a low-potassium kidney diet. They are recommended for people with bladder infections because cranberries contain a type of phytonutrient called a type proanthocyanidin, which stops bacteria from sticking to the lining of your urinary tract and kidneys. People with kidney disease have a higher incidence of urinary tract infections, and cranberries are a useful addition to their daily diet because they are also low in sodium, phosphorus, and of course, potassium. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.